How to do Messenger heart effect. Hello and welcome to One to Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can do heart effect on Messenger. For that, open your Messenger application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now here from the list, select any of the profile to enter their chat page. And once you enter the chat page, here at the top right, you will find the eye icon. Click on this icon and you will reach to this page. Here you will find word effects option under this customization section. Click on this word effects and from here at the very bottom you can write any word or phrase to represent. Next to it at the left you will find this emoji icon. Click on this emoji icon and from here find the heart emoji. After selecting the heart emoji, click on this arrow button facing upward right at the bottom, and now whenever you use this word you will see the heart effect. Come back to the chat page and here write the same word. Once doing that, you will see the heart effect on Messenger. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.